Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is Secret Note. So I've already gathered all the little bits and pieces that I want to use to make this. What I'm going to use for my Secret Note is this vintage paper puzzle thing. For the life of me, I could not figure out how to get it to close. You can see the fold lines on it, and I will leave a link to a tutorial for how you can do the fold. I could not figure it out. I had to get my husband to do it, so I got him to do it for me. He figured it out eventually. It took him a while now as well, and I printed a second one for me to practice on so I could like look at his one and try work it out, but I still couldn't do it. It's just beyond me. So this is an idea of the way it kind of ends up. I'm so scared taking that out. So it's just this little folding note puzzle, and you can see here all the little writing. So as you take it apart, you should see each little note. I think it's a Victorian thing as well. I have this envelope then that I'm going to use. I want to put this inside just to have another little secret element to the collage. And then it's just, I want to add a few other little elements. This is another way I like to add little notes to my spreads. So I'm just going to dive into collaging and add this little secret note. Decided to have a glass of rosé while I work. I wish I could show it to you, but I can't show it on this camera or at this angle. Nice glass of rosé from Spain. I'm going a bit more colourful than I normally would because I have the hydrangeas and the painted stripes here. Way more colourful than I would normally go. It's nice to experiment with these kind of projects when you have prompts and stuff. It's good to kind of make you do some stuff you wouldn't normally think of doing. Butterflies are out again. I think some of these ones would actually go with this spread. Actually, maybe it'd be too much purple. Maybe we can get some of these colours in it instead. Doing some more experimenting here now. I'm really unsure about this, but I want to try it out. Now I think I will go with this greeny colour. Oh man, that's drying fast. Turned out better than I thought it would. I'm actually really happy with those colours. This one did not turn out as well. This is a different type of paper. But I'm really happy with this one. I think this is really nice. So this is what I have for Secret Note. So we have this part that comes out and it has some nice writing on it for the note element, and then this little secret, and then another one here. Again, this is still wet, not dry yet. So I was really happy with how the painting turned out on this one. It just suited the paper a bit more than this is just regular printer paper, so it didn't take to it very well. But I'm still happy with how it came out. It just wasn't like this one, which I was really happy with. So there we go. And then our main secret is inside here. We can unfold, and then we have this little note puzzle hidden inside, which will open out to this. I'm not going to unfold it because I won't be able to get it closed again. There we go. That was a lot of fun to do. I really liked painting these ones was a lot of fun to try that out and to try come up with a way to keep notes secret. I also added these vellum papers here and here that I've just barely able to see the writing on these. So there we go. That is it for today's spread. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.